To link a YouTube account to a Twitch profile, start by opening Twitch and navigating to the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and then click on Connections. In the Connections menu, various platforms that can be linked to Twitch are displayed. Locate YouTube, which is typically the second option, and click Connect. A new window will prompt a login to the associated Google account, using the email address linked to the YouTube channel. Once logged in, select the desired YouTube channel and agree to grant Twitch access to manage YouTube videos and view account information. This access allows Twitch to view certain data. After allowing access, the YouTube channel will be successfully connected to the Twitch profile.